What's going on, guys? So today we are going to be changing the daytime running lights and the headlights on a 2013 Hyundai Genesis sedan. So this is a really simple process. It can take some time if you don't know what you're doing initially, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's real simple. All you need is a 10mm socket with an extension, a clip puller, and you'll probably need some more clips because the ones that come on the car factory are prone to breaking. So I'll set you guys up, show you what you need to do, and we'll get started. Alright, so first things first, guys, you're going to have to take out the engine cover. So this is just held on. You can just pull straight up. It'll pop out of the four corners and remove it out of the way. After you're done that, you're going to have to make your way to the plastic trim piece here at the front. So this is just held on by clips and two 10mm bolts. I'll show you that. So as you can see, we just have a bunch of assorted clips. These ones are prone to breaking, so that's why you need different ones. You'll have one 10mm bolt right here, and you'll have one 10mm bolt right over here. So once you pull all of those out, you'll be able to remove this piece, and you need to remove this piece in order to get to your hand into the space behind the headlight. So I'll set you guys down, and we'll remove that next. Alright, so at this point, you're able to replace the main projector headlight. You can just reach your hand in right back there. Let me put this light down and try to show you. Right here, and there'll be a turn like seal at the back of the headlight. So you turn it counterclockwise, it'll pop out, remove this, that's what's blocking it. And then inside, you'll see the blue wires. There'll be a little clip that you need to squeeze, and then you can pull it off the back, and then you simply rotate the light counterclockwise to get it off. So the clip you squeeze on two ends, and then you can pull it straight back, twist the light counterclockwise, and then it can pop right up. So there you go. So I've already replaced this headlight with a new LED bulb. So I'm gonna put this one right back. And then now we're gonna be moving on to the daytime running light and high beam bulbs. All right, now to get to the daytime running lights, there's things you're gonna have to move. So in this case, you're gonna have to move this fuse box, but you don't have to move it fully out the way. So you pull this tab at the front, you can lift off the cover, and that will expose to you three 10mm bolts back here, here, and here. Scrape that light. One at the front here, one back there, and one back there. So what you're gonna need to do is you need to remove this one at the front, remove this one in the back right corner, and then you can just loosen the rear left one, and you'll be able to rotate the fuse box out of the way without disconnecting anything, and that will give you space to access this light back there. So you can see another cap at the back of it. This cap right back here. You'll use that. You have to remove that, but you can't, like, at least I can't get my hands in here to do anything with this in the way. So grab your 10mm ratchet, take this one out completely, loosen this one back here, loosen this one back here, rotate it, and then you'll be able to get access to the light housing right back here. Alright, so you can see now the bolts are removed. The fuse box usually sits like that. Now you can rotate it out of the way, and that's all the space you'll need to be able to get to the cap at the back of the daytime running light. So again, you'll turn it counterclockwise, and then you'll have access to the light bulb inside. You have access. So it'll be another set of wires. This is a H7 bulb. Then you'll just also turn the light counterclockwise, and it'll be able to come out of the housing. And once you do that, the bulb's free. You can pull from the silver part at the bottom to remove it from the plug. Okay, so that was the driver's side. You just have to move the fuse box a little bit on the way. The passenger side is slightly different. So for this side of the car, you have to remove the 10mm bolt here. You have to remove the air box because there's no way to get your hand back here where the daytime running light is with the air box in place. And that's why you have to take off the engine cover here. So there's a 10mm bolt here. Remove these two 10mm bolts because when you're lifting off the bottom of the air box, this is what holds it down. And then you also want to disconnect the mass airflow sensor right here, as well as you'll have to loosen the pipe from here because you don't need to remove the intake piping, just that air intake box itself. So I'll set you guys down, you can see that, and then we'll see how much space you have, which will make it really easy to get these bulbs out. that we see, we got the air box out, lots of space in here. You have clear access to the daytime running light bulb right here and the headlight right there. So it's gonna be same as the other side, just remove the cap, you have the bulb, turn it counterclockwise, same thing for the headlight, and then you can install your new bulbs. If you guys are looking to switch this car to LED bulbs, I found it kind of difficult to find LED daytime running lights. So I've tried about 3 different versions right now, and it looks like this third one will be the winner. So I got these off of Amazon, and they're only ones I found to work so far. So I've tried 3 different sets. The first set I got off Amazon didn't work. It had a problem with how it's had in the housing. The next one I got from a local parts store, and it had an LED with a fan on it, so then it had a cable that ran off, which can't work with this car based on how everything's like locked inside the headlight. And then I ordered these ones, so I'll leave a link in the description below. These ones seem to be working, and they'll work properly with the car as far as I can tell right now. That's this, guys. It's real simple. You just have to remove this, you'll get it done, and then you can have clear access to everything in here. And once you're done that, well, now you can have either new bulbs if your bulbs burnt out, or if you're doing like what I did and put LED bulbs inside. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And now don't forget at the end, obviously, to put everything back together. So you have to drop your airbox back in, has to connect right here to the air intake, and then, to the throttle body piping, and then the air intake piping. Don't make sure it's connected to both of those before you drop it back in. Tighten down your 10 millimeters, put back all your plastic trim, and you're set. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.